The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a tornado warning for southern Canadian County in central Oklahoma, north central Grady County in central Oklahoma, until 1:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 12:45 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a confirmed large and extremely dangerous tornado was located 1 mile north of Denver and is moving north at 45 miles per hour. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Hazard, damaging tornado. Source, weather spotters confirm tornado. In fact, you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris will be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles are likely, and complete destruction is possible. Locations impacted include Acid, Miko, Union City, El Reno, Bocar, and Kingfisher. Tornadoes are extremely dangerous and hard to confirm at night. Take cover now. Move to a basement or small interior room such as a closet. Use blankets or pillows to cover your body and always stay away from windows. Repeat, a large, extremely dangerous, and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now.
Please excuse the time and date if that's wrong. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and stay tuned for more mock start. This one wasn't the best. I'm still trying to figure out how to get better text speech, but hope you enjoyed this video. This video was requested by the person in the description below, so make sure you guys go subscribe to him. And yeah, hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you all next time. Peace.